Are you wondering when is the best time to sell your home in Chicago? If you're trying to maximize your profits and sell quickly, timing is everything. But with so many factors to consider, it can be hard to pinpoint the perfect moment. Hello, my name is Hugo and I'm with Coldwell Banker. I serve the Chicagoland, including the suburbs, and I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago. Let's dive in. With years of experience and a deep understanding of the real estate market, I'm here to help you navigate the complexity of selling your home. So, when is the best time to sell your home in Chicago, you said, right? That's why we're here. Traditionally, spring and early summer are considered the prime seasons. The weather is warm, gardens are in full bloom, and families are looking to move in before the school year begins. And according to the National Association of Realtors, homes listed in May and in June tend to sell faster and for higher prices. However, it's not just about the season. Market conditions play a crucial role. Chicago real estate market can be influenced by various factors such as interest rates, economic conditions, and local housing inventory. It's essential to keep in these trends to make an informed decision. Another important aspect to consider is your personal circumstances. Are you ready to move? Do you have to sell? Do you have a new home lined up? Selling a home can be a stressful process, so it's vital to ensure you're prepared emotionally and financially. Remember, the best time to sell your home is when you're ready. With the right strategy and timing, you can achieve your real estate goals. As your local real estate expert, I'm here to provide you with a full personalized advice and support you through the entire process. If you're thinking about selling your home in Chicago or in the suburbs, let's talk. I can provide you with a comparative market analysis and guide you through the best steps to take action. Reach out to me today at 773-550-4846. Let's make your home selling journey a successful. Thank you for watching. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker, your trusted real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago. We serve the Chicago area and the suburbs. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Subscribe to all of our real estate tips, insights all over social media. Talk to you soon.